Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're so new over here, special welcome and thank you so much for joining the family. Now today we are going to do for you a cabbage sandwich. Not just any cabbage sandwich, but it's going to be a big buck Jamaican cabbage sandwich or a big buck cabbage sandwich Jamaican style. I'm going to show you what we're going to need. We're going to need some cabbage. We're going to need a pack of smoked bacon. We're going to need a tomato. If you use like powdered seasonings or so, you can go ahead, but I'm gonna use some bell pepper, I'm gonna use some celery stalks and some scallions and a few leaves of thyme to just fix up my cabbage. So as we go along, and also you're gonna need a bread of this size, whether it be brown bread or whole wheat or white, whatever your choice. Okay, so let us proceed. One thing that I needed and I did not get: smoked paprika, because smoked paprika and regular paprika is different. Smoked paprika has a flavor, the regular paprika has no flavor, and I've said that so many times in videos. So I did not get the smoked paprika, so we have to just omit it. I have regular paprika, but I'm not really looking for color, I'm looking for flavor here. Okay, so first and foremost, we've got our pot over here, been eating on low. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take out the bacon slices. Cut as much bacon where you want, because so bacon make everything taste nice, don't it? So you're going to dry your bacon slices. Maybe you can find some more atty bacon, but this is what I can afford. So we'll turn the heat up. So we don't really need any grease right there, because so the bacon have been some fat. If you're a person that doesn't eat pork, you can use the turkey bacon. You know what kind of bacon. Just omit the pork bacon and use the bacon where you love. Them have fish bacon too? Not sure. Maybe if they not have it, it's 2018 now. They might soon get that, as everything is taking a different toll. So we're going to lay our bacon slices in our pot. So we're going to put up with it now. So you see what happens. Okay, so we're going to leave those bacons there to become crispy. As crispy as you want. So we are use that packet. It's about, I don't know how much. I will tell you how much. I'll look at the label and tell you how much it is. So we're leaving our bacon slices in there to become all crispy. Now, I have to wash my hands. Wash off the bottle too, as we touched the bottle with the bacon hands. Yay! Some important kitchen tips we want to get on to you. We might just do that on the Debbie train. Now, get this out of the way. We're gonna need some cabbage. Half of a regular cabbage. I have some salt water here that I'm gonna use to cleanse my cabbage. Oftentimes I see people just open them cabbage and just take it and just put it under the pipe and wash it off also. No, that's not how I cleanse my cabbage. Please comment on how you cleanse your cabbage. I have got to cut my cabbage up, put it in some salt water. Remember, cabbage, it folds, it has layers. And from baby coming up, they fold like from here, this little, and in between these layers, sometimes you have all sort of insects. So please, cut your cabbage, then you cleanse your cabbage. Some people might want to take out here, but for me, probably, me not going to want to take it out, because I'm not too, But if you want to, you can do, or cut around these parts. Let us cut around them. Our cabbage sandwich you want, So, you must have your bacon on a regular heat. That it, when it's crispy, you don't get it all burned, We're going to cut up our cabbage, put it in our salt water, and leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes in the salt water. Whilst our bacon is been getting crispy, we are gonna go for a break. Come back now, finish with little stuff, get everything. When we come back, we will put in the sandwich together. Okay, now family, we have We bacon all fried up. Alright, hello, get some. This wasn't expensive. This is a little cheap bacon, but it doesn't matter. It's what I can afford. Get some nice turkey bacon or some pork bacon, nice and crispy. But you want to have them looking like this. It's have a little fat, but that's all the bacon when it is cheap. Okay. Right inside this pot here, we have the bacon thing. Them leave back. What we want to do, we want to use some of this chopped scallion. We're gonna leave in the description for you. We might not use all. So we had our flame on low, so we're going to bring it up back because you know bacon make everything taste good. So we want to get this little bacon, this little scallion. Oh no, my thing that you know. So some people might not want to use this because they're using all powdered seasoning. We want to get it in the bacon aisle here. You understand? This is some onions, celery stalk, and some bell peppers. So you can substitute whatever herbs you want. And if you don't want to use herbs, you don't do. Okay? Now, we pot look like it's a bit dry. Take a little butter or a little margarine, okay? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. This one's saying low fat and sitting, but I don't even care whether it's low or it's high because I've got to use a little butter. And if I've got to do it, I've got to do it. This what I put here is about a teaspoon of margarine. So we want a little grease down in the bottom here. Okay? Because we are on medium now. So we are gonna saute. We are gonna be sauteing off inside this little smoked bacon thing here. All of them nice little vegetables. Please don't let them burn. Okay, look at this. This is such a beauty. Can you imagine when the cabbage go down into this little niceness? All right, let us put it right back on the low. That means it cannot. Hello, please. When it's on the medium to low and the low, what cannot happen, camera girl?
It won't burn.
Okay, beautiful. So we're leaving it on the low. Let us get it up into a little heap. Loving little herbs, staying together as one family. Yes, that's how we are supposed to live too. Okay, now right over here we have our, what is this thing? This is like a little thing with some little thing where this little thing here that we use to like a little grill pan or something. Take a beautiful little bread, okay y'all, and this is what a beautiful little bread should look like. I'm not gonna show the label because I'm not giving them money for advertising. This is a beautiful little bread, and when I'm talking I want you all to get involved. We're a family, okay? If you think this is a beautiful little bread, please to come in. Take a beautiful little bread. We're going to take the top off. And we are going to get this little bread right over here on this little glass cutting board. Knife is clean, hands are clean for your kitchen, for your bread. Take the ends off. Don't throw it away. Don't throw the ends away. Get a Ziploc because as a mother and as a wife, we have to save. Put them in there, freeze them. We can make bread pudding when the bag full. Okay? We're gonna take off the two sides. Beautiful little bread. Take it off neat to let you have a neat looking little thing. Right inside the bag here. Can't afford to throw it up. Things hard. Okay? Okay. Whoops, our thing is here. It's too hot. Let us turn it down to low. We weren't riding and whistling well. Try to get it all even. Get it right down. Look at what is happening over here. Still sauteing on the low. Nothing no burn. Okay? A beautiful little bread. We're going to use a little margarine. Oh yes, please. We have got to do it. So we are going to lather it. Nice and beautiful. Nice little bread. You don't want a dry bread. Eh? No dry bread. Okay. You use your ati butter that is expensive, but this and your low carb, your veg, use what you want, okay? Substitute what you want. Now we are coming over here onto our little grill pan, and we are gonna put our bread pieces. These are not slices, and you want to squeeze them down. You want to get them all a little toasted. It's on the low. We don't want to get them burning. So let them stay on the low whilst we watch them. Now our cabbage has been washed and it was been draining. Now we are gonna put the cabbage in. So we have to turn the heat up to high. So we are going to dump in. Let us see if we're going to use all of this cabbage. We might not use all of this cabbage. So let us dump in that. Now that you dump in that, you want to start mixing up. Remember, this is over here. Meanwhile, it's going, you're pressing down. If you don't want to use your hand, you can use a spatula or something. Let us get this cabbage all fixed up into this little eye. Clean stove here. Come here. Where are you going? You're part of this thing. Are you out of your mind? Where are you going? Okay. Flame up. At this point, we are going to incorporate all of the little herbs. As I said to you, you might omit the stewing down or the sauteing of these little veggies and whatever you want to call them, what we use to cook up. You know, we are coat it up in a heat on the high heat because it's going to stay there and to steam. Right? Not really steam, sort of cooker, but not to cover this pot here. Can I tell you something? I am going to put in here a little basil leaf. You put what you want. This is my herb that I have right now. If you use your artificial seasoning, put what you like. This is a little chili powder for a little heat. Okay? And at this point, if I had the smoked paprika, I would have put it in there. I eat, and it's going to stay there. We're going to get it all stew off. Sort of steam off, uncovered. Well, not steam. Sort of just cook off, because steaming it will have to be covered. Let me correct you. So we are going to go wait on our bread to get a nice little crispiness to it. Finish up this little thing here. When we return, you're going to see what we're going to go on. Alright now, family. With cabbage steam off. We're going to take some of this cabbage, but we're going to put it into this little colander thing here. Because you know, the reason for this is, you know that cabbage traps a lot of liquid. So we're going to put it inside here. Because we're getting our bread over there. All sort of toasted up. And so. Did you notice that we did not use any salt? Did you? No, we have put the salt in there after we cook it. Because it would spring a lot of water. So what we want to do now, we want to put a little salt. Salt to your liking. Remember, you know me and my salting, you know. I'm going to wrap up, you know. You know I'm not into a lot of salt like that. So you're going to mix up with the salt now. And you're going to want to use a spoon. Okay? And we're going to try to squeeze any excess water, liquid, or something the way I get out of that cabbage here. Because we don't want our bread too saggy. Let's do this. I hope you're all in on this one. Your cabbage must have this nice glossy look. Okay? Nice glossy. And the cooking of the cabbage depends on your liking. Some people like them cabbage cook and sort of saggy and soft. I don't like that. Mine must be, should be even crunchier, but this is how it goes. So we're not seeing not more. So it look like we're good like that. Now let us see what is happening. We have our board that we use for our bread. And we're gonna see. Wow, these were toasted off. Nobody watch them, they look something them man. At the right like that. So now remember, this is the top and this is the bottom. We want to come now to layer on our cabbage. Hello. If you put the cabbage on there, you see it hanging down the side, nothing wrong. It's a part of how the sandwich is supposed to look. So you put it on your cabbage, nice and pretty. Let it stay flat. Put as much as you like. If you want to heap it up and make it high like Mount Diablo, is your cabbage, okay? Doesn't matter. Take some bacon slices, okay, y'all? No, I'm sorry. Use some tomato slices and put on your cabbage. Overlap them and see if you get 3. Beautiful. Take some nice crispy bacon. Hello, please. It's for your one. Put as much as you want put pan there. Okay? And if you feel like you want to taste a little bit here, you can have your one. Bacon make everything taste good. Hello, please. How do you do? You're going to cover up this nice little sandwich. Put it, and it doesn't matter. Do not try to fix and to push in nothing. It's a sandwich. You just want to cover. Okay? Have your plate nearby. Use not a serrated knife, but a clean cut knife. So you want to get this thing down, you know, because we're gonna slice on the diagonal. Try to slice it. We don't want this thing to go bad, you know. Let us hold it down. Try to slice it on the diagonal. Okay. Go on like him bad. Go on like you a bad boy. Chew you a big sandwich. Hello, please. How do you do? Okay. We are having. It don't really matter. Something is wrong. This is your cabbage sandwich. Look at it, y'all. Like we fix up. Hello, when you take it out, you eat it, you see? It is your cabbage. Let us go clean up, come back to present. Huh? Okay, now family, we are right back. Let me present to you from my Jamaican kitchen to your, wherever you are, your kitchen, to your family table, most of all to your plate. It's Big Buck Jamaican cabbage sandwich. Please enjoy. Now, remember to like, remember to subscribe, most of all. When you do subscribe, remember to smack that notification bell. It can't get no better than this. It's getting better and better. And if you think it's getting better and better on the Jamaican cooking journey, please talk to me in the comment section. Remember also to share. And when you do, leave your comments below, principled and decent. Thank you so much, so many of you. Thank you. I'm so welcome in your comments. They are so intriguing. 99.9% of them, they are so welcoming. They are so warm. Thank you so much. Debbie from Dongayard. Bless. No stress.